Hi everyone, for this craft we need these materials. We are making a rocking horse today. So paste all the cardboard together, paste the stick and look, your rocking horse is ready. Let's use these pine cones. We are making the face using clay. Put the pink clay, paste the eyes and nose and the ears as well. And its rosy cheeks, paste its legs and look, your porcupines are ready. Let's make these running bunnies. Draw the face on the paper cup using marker, paste their ears. Now paste two bottle caps together, tie it using rubber band, make two marks on the paper cup, put both of them together and roll it and look, it's ready. Take this plastic bottle, cut it and collect some dried twigs, cover it using these dried twigs, paste it using hot glue gun, make a bow using jute rope and look, your flower pot is ready. Draw a circle on white sheet of paper, paste leaves around it using double-sided tape. We are making lion here. Cut the lion face and draw its eyes using marker. Make the body using this yellow craft paper. Cut it and paste it under the leaves and look, your lion is ready. Take these leaves and paste them on the sheet of paper using double-sided tape. Now remove the peanut shell. We are making chicks here. So draw its beaks and legs and look, your artwork is ready. Look at this fun craft, let's make it. Take a ginkgo leaf, tear it into two pieces and put the stick inside. Flip it and look, it is ready. Let's make this fun indoor game using craft paper. So take this red craft paper, make multiple folds like this. Again fold it from its sides and make triangular shape. Flip it and again fold it. Here we are going to make the basket. So fold it like this from its bottom side as well and tuck the paper inside. You will see triangular shape like this and look, it's done. Now paste it from its top section. Now we are going to make the basket. So paste it and fold it like this. It's ready. You can make ball and look, your game is ready. We are going to make hippopotamus today. So cut the face of the hippopotamus on the cardboard, make its eyes, paste all of them, and now with the help of pistol cells we are going to make its teeth and look, your craft is ready. We are going to make leaf art today, so paste all the green leaves and cut the extra parts, tear a paper and we are making the mountains like this. Paste the sun and draw birds and your artwork is ready. Cut the tree trunk and paste it on this white sheet of paper. Now we are going to make colorful trees, so paste all the clay balls, make the grass as well and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make leaf art today. We are using these ginkgo leaves, paste both sides of the paper. Now cut the extra part. We are also making fishes using this red leaf, paste all of them like this and your artwork is ready. Let's make this arrow. For indoor games we need some bamboo sticks and straw, so cut all of them and paste it like this using hot glue gun. We are also tying it using rubber band and look, your arrow is ready. You can play indoor games using this. Let's make beautiful artwork using ginkgo leaf. So paste the ginkgo leaf on the sheet of paper and we are drawing dancing girls. So using marker, draw the legs and hands and look, your artwork is ready. Cut this yellow leaf and paste it on the sheet of paper. Make the head of the girl, draw the face. After this, we are cutting many leaves and paste it on the sheet of paper. Your artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.